In today's video, we're going to look at the sort formula. You've probably already manually sorted your data in Excel at some point by highlighting the entire data range, clicking into the data header, and clicking on the sort button. This then allows you to choose how you want to sort your data, and will do so using the original source data. By using the sort formula, you can create a dynamically sorted list that will update automatically whenever your source data changes. Let's take a look how it works. The formula itself has 4 parameters, and we'll look at 3 of them today. The first is required, and that is the range of the data that you want the formula to look at. The rest of the parameters are optional. The second one here tells the formula what column number you want to sort by, with the first column in your range always being column 1. If you do not include this parameter, it will default to sorting by the first column. The third parameter specifies whether the sort will happen in ascending or descending order. So if you have numbers, ascending will be counting up, and for letters, ascending will start from A. If you want ascending order, you can ignore this parameter entirely, as that is the default, but if you want descending order, you specify a -1 in here. So let's look at an example. We'll keep it simple and sort our data without any additional parameters. You see that when we press enter, we get the list alphabetized by product name, which is the default first column. But note that our original data on the left remains the same, unlike with the manual option described earlier. Now let's edit the sort function again, and after a comma, we'll specify a 3 in the second parameter. So this is telling the formula to sort by the third column, which is sales, and by default it will do it in ascending order. We see the results have now changed, and everything is ordered by how many sales were made. If we want to see these totals in descending order, we just go into the sort formula, and after another comma, we just add a -1. And when we press enter, we now see that the list has reversed itself to show sales in descending order. So now let's see what happens if our source data gets changed. In the manual sort method described at the beginning, the list will not resort itself based on the changes. But here, if we change one of these sales numbers, when we hit enter, the dynamic list on the right side automatically updates to reflect the new reality. That's it for the sort formula. It's used to sort data without modifying the source, and will automatically update itself when source data is changed. If this video has been helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.